Alright, today I'm gonna show you how to change your door lock, your door latch, which gonna be this right here. And also I'm gonna change this window switch right here. Alright, so first thing first, you want to get a flathead screwdriver. Remove this part right here. Remove that. So that's how it looks. Take that down and take that out. Alright, so you want to get a Phillips screwdriver now and screw out everything. Alright. Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and unscrew this right here. And you want to come right here and unscrew this right here. Alright, so now it's time to take this out. Like that. And that's out. So now it's time to pull on this right here. So get a flathead screwdriver and push it between here. And that should do the job. So now you want to go ahead and get the screwdriver in here, pull it this way towards you, and then you just hold it and pull it off. Alright, and that's about it. Down here you want to come and disconnect the switch that you have here. And just squeeze in right here and take it off. Same thing with that. Now that's out. So now it's time to take out this Phillips screw right here. 1, 2, 3, and 4 over there. Alright. And this is how I do it. For this one. Yeah, so I did have to remove this. I will glue that back so I can take out these screws right here. And that's it, your switch is out. So now it's time to put it back, get a new one, put the new one in. Alright, you got your old switch right here, and got your new switch right here. Time to put this in and screw it in. Alright, so the screw is in on both sides. Alright, so now it's time to take out the door latch. I remove this plastic right here. Alright, so I removed the plastic. Now it's time to go in here and get the camera focus right here. And this one I want to pull that way, so get a flathead screwdriver, put it there, and take it off like that, and you can pull this out. And also for that one back there, for this right here, it's the same thing. So you just gotta twist it up off the rod, and then you can pull out the rod. Alright, so it's the same thing. Alright, so take that out. Push it back like this and pull forward. This you can just pull out like that. And now that these are off, now it's time to come here and take that out. Alright, and it's going to be T30 torque. As you can see, I already have this open already. Go ahead and clear these out. And that's it, my friend. That's how you do it. Squeeze here. Squeeze here and unplug it. Alright. Alright, so I got the new door latch. So I'm gonna connect it and install it. Alright. So you're gonna go ahead and connect it first. So you wanna go ahead and tighten these. Tighten these. And you wanna go ahead and connect back the this cable, this wiring in here. So put that in there, bring that down, and it's the same way to do that one in the back right there. Alright, that one right there. It's time to take out these right here. Okay, so if you have it like this, just know the green go to the top and the red go to the and the black go to the bottom. All right. That's in there, all right. Put back your plastic. So after the plastic is in, now it's time to get to your door facing in. That's it. You want to lift it up and go underneath and connect the wires. Take it off and connect the wires right here.